welcome to my channel. ZyXEL Armor G5 Router Setup. Unbox the router and make sure all accessories are present. Power adapter, Ethernet cable. Power on the router by plugging it into an electrical outlet. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the WAN port, yellow port, of the router to your modem. Turn on the modem and wait for it to establish an internet connection. Wired connection. Use another Ethernet cable to connect your PC to one of the LAN ports on the router. Check the default SSID Wi-Fi name and password printed on the bottom of the router. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.1.1 or http://zyxelwifi.com in the address bar. Log in using the default credentials found on the router label. Username, admin password, default password. Navigate to Administrator Settings and set a new username and password. Change the default Wi-Fi name SSID and password for better security. Configure dual band settings, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, as needed. Reconnect your devices to the updated Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.